will come down in circles and guide me to love. I don't know what's right for me, I cannot see straight. I've been here too long and I don't want to wait for it. Fly like a cannonball straight to my soul. Tear me to pieces and make me feel whole. I'm willing to fight for it, to feel something new, to know what it's like to be sharing a space with you. Fall on me with open arms. Fall on me from where you are. Fall on me with all your light, with all your light, with all your light.
Sooner or later it all comes apart. The walls are all shattered, I'm back at the start. But I'm willing to follow this wherever it goes. The heart has its reasons that nobody knows. And I wanna believe in a world we can't see. Millions of particles passing through me. And I know there's a meaning, I feel it, I swear. I can't see the future, but I know that it's there. Fall on me with open arms. Fall on me from where you are. Fall on me with all your light, with all your light, with all your light, with all your light. I close my eyes and I'm seeing you everywhere. I step outside, it's like I'm breathing you in the air. I can feel you're there. Fall on me with open arms. Fall on me from where you are. Fall on me with all your light, with all your light, with all your light, with all your light.
This dance is called Fall on Me, choreographed by Snooke and Kerry. It's a 32 count, 2-wall intermediate rolling 8 count line dance. There are 2 tags in this dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot. Crawl, side behind, sweep your left, behind, quarter turn right, forward, step, lock step, hit your right, making a half turn left, forward, sweep your left, weave, crawl, side behind, side cross. Section 2, side, drag your left, make an 8 turn to your left to 730, together, rock forward, recover, together, rock forward, recover, square to 6, quarter turn left, forward, step, pivot half turn to your left, step, pivot half turn to your left, forward, hitch. Section 3, coaster step, Pivot half turn to right, waist on your left, forward, full turn right, half turn back, half turn forward, step forward, pivot half turn right, waist on your left, forward, quarter turn right to 6, side, behind, side, 1/8 turn left to 430, forward, hit your left foot behind right knee. Last section, sailor steps, square to 6, behind, side, recover, behind, sweep your left, sailor step, behind, side, recover, behind, sweep your left, behind, step right to side, sway, right, left, right, rolling bind to your left, quarter forward, half turn back, quarter turn left, side. And you start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and In this dance, there's a 4 count tag at the end of wall 2 and wall 5, starting with the right foot. Cross, side, behind, sweep your left, behind, side, cross, sweep your right. With counts 1, 2, 3, 4. At the end of wall 2, the tag will be facing 12 o'clock. At the end of wall 5, the tag will be facing 6 o'clock. 好，现在我来为大家用中文讲解。第一个 section 右脚开始，胯旁后，左脚绕，后右转，前前锁步，右脚 hitch 往左边后转，前左脚绕，面对9点 V， 胯旁后旁胯。第二个 section 旁左脚拖1/8左转，面对7点半。并前回，并前回，还原到6点，左转前，前往左边后转，前往左边后转，前左脚 hitch。第三个 section 后并前往右边后转，前往右边后转后，后转前，前往右边后转，重心在左脚，前右转，旁后旁。1/8左转，面对4点半，前左脚 hitch， 左脚靠右膝盖后。最后一个 section 还原到6点 sailor step， 后旁回，后左脚绕 sailor step， 后旁回，后左脚绕后，右脚到旁边 sway， 右左右 rolling vine 往左边，左转前，往左边后转后，左转旁。让我重新开始。这条舞在第2跟第5个方向跳完之后，要加一个4拍的 tag。我来示范4拍的 tag， 右脚开始，胯旁后，左脚绕，后旁胯，右脚绕。With counts 1, 2, 3, 4。第2个方向跳完之后 tag 是面对12点钟。第5个方向跳完之后 tag 是面对6点钟。